Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, or ladies or gentlemen, whichever you are. Anyway, this is a two-page Funnel Pages website. This is the two pages. The first one is called Auction. The next one is called Auction Prices. Okay, that's the first part. This one works fine. Everything's fine. What I have over here, the word auction. Over here, I have the word auction. I think it's supposed to be a longer definition over here, but that's all I have over there. This is the current domain, and the extension is auction. Now this word over here, available. Sometimes when I open this page up, it's got an X over there and it says unavailable. Sometimes it says available. So I don't know what the difference is. When it says unavailable, I could go over here and put a little slash in there, and then it changes to whichever it was. If it was available, now it's unavailable. And now it's available again. Okay, so the final link is this one. And the final link is this one here. How come it's not changing on me? Oh, there it is. Okay, this is the final link. The number on it is 9833000, Funnel Pages /auction. Okay, now, this one works fine. I made a template of this, and I made a new site. I put different prices on the new site, and a different name on the top, and it doesn't work. So I'm going to pause there. Okay, so I made a template of auction best results, and I made this website from that template, group best results. The group best results, it works fine in the setup mode, but I wonder. And when I hit view page, this page pops up, and that works fine. See the difference in the name, best results group. The other one was best results auction. Now, I just noticed this over on the top over here. That's a different name, but the word auction is popping up here, and it shouldn't be auction. It should be group. So I'm going to move this to group, G-R-O-U-P. And that's what the name should be, group. It shouldn't be auction. All right, let me go back over here. Settings, this again is group. This is the page that doesn't work right. I don't know what happened here. I had this set to group before. G-R-O-U-P. 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 And that says group over here. I'm going to try that here right now. And it didn't work again. Let me save this. Okay, I went back and forth from one page to the other, and I think this is the group one. No, apparently not, because I just made the group one today. Okay, apparently my group one, which was best results group, not best results online, it disappeared. It's gone, forgotten. I went into inactive, and it's not there either. Nope, it's not there. I should just get rid of all these. I don't use any of them. That's why they're inactive. I thought there was something that said all. Apparently not. Okay, I don't know how I found this page by accident. This is stuff that I've deleted before, but somehow group best results showed up there. And it showed up there. Still says group best results up on the top. Where was that settings deal? Let's go to edit page. Settings, there's settings. It went back to auction again. Group, auction unavailable, group. And group is here. I'm going to save it. I can't save from here, can I? There's another little faux pas. I was trying to find a place to save, and I can't, but this says contact phone is not valid. Well, the contact phone is valid. I don't know why they're saying it's not. But usually when it says that, the flag went away. But we got the American flag there. 612. Okay, so it doesn't like the parentheses, so why not put the parentheses in there for me? Okay, save this. Okay, I put that, the new number in 112097 funnel pages /group, and that came up with a page under construction because I haven't saved it yet anywhere. I don't know where to save this. I went back to the first page again, click on settings. Nope, that's the wrong settings button again. I clicked on edit page this time, waiting for it to pop up. Okay, I opened up best results group, pull down settings. Previously it had changed back to auctions when I did this. Page settings. There it is, it went back to auction again. It won't hold the group. Group. Save and close. Try this again. Okay, this is what I just put in there on the setting page. And apparently it's not holding the setting again. So I'll go back here one last time. Settings, where's settings? Oh, there it is. I'm sorry, I apologize. Settings. Now the group is still there. I don't know why it's not showing up on the page. And the second page of this is group price. And to get to group price, if I went down to here, oh, this wouldn't do it. I never did change this one. This is my only link to get to the second page is this one. And this will get me to, let's see, copy, paste. Oh, that went to group. Nope. Price. And it's still not taking it. All right, I give up. I hope you guys can help me out and figure out why I can't, my second one won't go there. Thank you.